Hi guys, in this video I will show you old jeans transforming idea. Transforming old jeans into creative new items is a popular and sustainable practice that reflects both environmental awareness and personal creativity. Worn out, no longer wanted denim garments, especially jeans, are often repurposed instead of being discarded, giving them a second life and reducing textile waste. Denim is a particularly strong and durable fabric, making it ideal for visual types of transformations. Its characteristic texture, thickness, and fade-resistant nature make it a favorite for multiple repurposing techniques across both functional and decorative projects. The process typically begins by selecting jeans that are no longer in wearable condition due to damage, fading, or changes in style preferences. These jeans are thoroughly cleaned and then deconstructed by cutting along the seams. This results in flat fabric panels, pockets, waistbands, belt, loops, and other components that can be used separately or together depending on the purpose of the transformation. The construction stage is important because it reveals how the fabric can be reused efficiently and inspires the overall direction of the project, though no specific ideas are assumed here. Old jeans carry a lived-in aesthetic that adds a vintage, rustic, or casual charm to anything made from them. This worn look can also create a warm, nostalgic appeal that newer fabrics might lack. Whether stained, fried, or torn, the imperfections in denim add to its story and authenticity, often becoming a central feature rather than a flaw. These visual qualities enhance the tactile experience and visual interest of the final outcome regardless of what is ultimately created. As a material, denim blends well with various forms of embellishment and stitching techniques. It can be embroidered, painted, patched, quilted, or combined with other fabrics. Its sturdy nature supports sewing with standard home machines and allows for the addition of zippers, buttons, and trims. Old jeans can be transformed alone or paired with the materials like leather, cotton, jute, or lace for added contrast and texture. All these qualities make denim highly adaptable in repurposing without limiting the potential for imagination or style. Ultimately, transforming old jeans is more than just the method of upcycling. It's a form of expressive craftsmanship. Each piece tells a story, rooted in both its past use and its new purpose. The transformation respects the integrity of the original material while allowing new expressions to emerge from what once seemed worn out or obsolete. The outcome is often a meaningful and unique creation that carries the spirit of sustainability, creativity, and personalization without relying on the single predefined ideas. If you watch my full video till end, you will see very amazing and very useful transformation of old jeans into different beautiful decoration items and different things. I really hope that you will like all the ideas that I shared with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care of yourself.